Hello friends, myself Jashan from Harpal & Sons firm, Ambala, Kent, Haryana. This is our steam distillation apparatus for essential oil and hydrosol extraction. The capacity of this setup is 10 liter. In this setup, you get a 10 liter heating mantle with two elements, and a regulator is provided so that you can increase or decrease the heat. And then as we go up, there is a 2-neck flask of 10 liter capacity, and then again there is a 2-neck flask of 10 liter capacity. In the bottom flask you have to add water, and in the upper flask you have to add any raw material like flower, petal, leaf, stem, roots, any natural material from which you can extract the essential oil. You can add in the upper flask. And then you can see there is a connector, and then this is the condenser. In this condenser, the working efficiency is very high, as this is a coil condenser. The steam travels into the coil and the water remains outside the coil, so it is a very long path for the steam to travel. So that's why the conversion of the steam into liquid is very high in this coil condenser. And then this is the oil and water separator. In this separator part, what happen is that all the liquid, so this is the part, so this is a tube. In this part, the oil and hydrosol are just dropped from the condenser. So the oil and hydrosol are just get into this part, and in this part what happen is that the hydrosol, as we know, the oil float on water, so the water content remains here and the oil content layer forms here. So the hydrosol content will move outward from this tube, and it get out from here. So the hydrosol will constantly get out of this part from this tube, whereas the oil layer will be maintained in this part. Only the hydrosol will flow out. So as the hydrosol is flowing out, you have to just keep any beaker here and you can just collect the hydrosol. And once the process is completed, you can just open this nozzle and you can just collect all the oil content into the collection container. So this was the 10 liter distillation setup. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query, any requirement, please contact us. My WhatsApp number is mentioned in the comment section, as well as in the description, as well as in the name of this video. You can check out and contact me. Thank you.